this rest in this video hasn't even started yet. From the title of the video, I'm sure you have seen what we are doing. We are going to be doing a 10-minute glam challenge. So this is gonna be quick and easy holiday glam that you can wear to your holiday festivities or really anywhere. And I'm gonna try and do it in 10 minutes. I literally have a timer. We're gonna set it. I'm gonna try not to do any edits on this video, so you'll see the makeup from start to finish, all the products I'm using. We'll see how well I do. This is also going to be a collaboration video, which I'm so excited about. I am collaborating with my friend Amanda, Makeup Just for Fun, and we're doing this challenge together. I cannot wait to watch her video. If you are not subscribed to Amanda, I hope you will do so. She is a gem of a person. I love Amanda. We've gotten to meet several times now in person, and she is just the best. She exudes the most positive, most uplifting, just fun personality, and she just exudes that type of energy, and it's so infectious, and I just love her to pieces. She is so incredibly sweet, and she's so talented. You guys should need to check out her channel. She's basically everything that I'm not and everything that I aspire to be when it comes to her channel. She's so knowledgeable in makeup, and her reviews are very thorough. She does amazing swatches. She does a lot of comparison videos, which are also so helpful, something I never am able to do, but she's so great. She also has an extensive ColourPop collection. Like, I want to see her ColourPop like area of her room so badly because she has basically everything from ColourPop, and I'm always so jealous of that. But she has a great channel, and she's so sweet. So I hope you guys will check her out. If you're not already subscribed to her, I will link her down below, and of course check her challenge out as well because she's gonna be doing the same thing. So without further ado, let's start the timer. I got my little timer right here. This is just, you know, actually used as a timeout timer in my house, but we're gonna use it today for the 10-minute challenge. So I'm gonna set it to 10 minutes. I'm gonna try my best to do the best holiday glam that I can. And I just have beside me like literally my makeup bag that I use every single day. And then I also have a few extra products that I'm gonna use as well. And I'm just sitting in my beauty room in this smaller space. I don't typically sit here, but I thought it'd be kind of nice to do a little bit of a different area for this video. So I'm gonna start my timer right now. And we're gonna get started. I brought out some Christmas ears so we could at least have something festive in the video. I'm wearing like a little red dress, so let's start. So I'm gonna skip primer because I don't typically prime, but I am gonna use a moisturizer because my skin can be a little bit dry. This is my favorite from Tatcha. It's called Water Cream. I use this a lot of times as a primer, so I'm just gonna go in with this first just to make sure that my foundation goes on smoothly. I actually have quite a bit of filming I'm going to do after this. I'm hoping, even knowing this is a challenge video, that my makeup turns out pretty cute so I can still film my other videos. So I'm gonna just let that seep in my skin for like a second because we don't have a lot of time. Normally I would let it like absorb a little bit longer, but we'll just do a second here. And then I'm gonna use the True Match from L'Oreal. This is one of my favorite foundations. I am using the shade W5. And to put this on, I think I'm gonna use a brush because I feel like that's been my go-to lately, and also I feel like it's much faster to use a brush, so I'm just gonna pump this out on my face. And I'm using this one from BK Beauty. This is the 101 foundation brush, and this is heavenly, you guys. If you haven't tried this brush, it is so nice. You guys know I am a sponge girl. Like, if you don't know, I'm a sponge girl. If you're coming from Amanda's channel, I love makeup sponges. I honestly have a sick obsession with them. I have so many of them, and I have become a brush girl. I don't know where this came from, where, you know, I'm headed in life, because I feel like I've only ever used sponges, but here we are, 2023 at the very end of the year, and I have just only been using brushes. So who would have thought? But I feel like this brush is just so nice from foundation. It's also so fast. It just gives you such a seamless blend, and I also feel like it doesn't do any streaking. Like, I've used so many brushes over the years, and I can never find one that just like didn't really streak on my face. Like, I feel like I always had like brush strokes, and I still had to go in with a sponge even knowing I used a brush. I feel like I had to use a sponge over top just to get rid of any creases, but I feel like I never have to do that with this one. So foundation is on. Let's go ahead now and move on to concealer. For that, I'm gonna be using my trusty Tarte Shape Tape. I recently put up a video on my Instagram of all the makeup that I've used the most in 2023. And this one is by far the most used concealer of the year for me, which is funny because this is an older product and it's not a product that I feel like a lot of people, oh my gosh, where's my concealer brush? See, oh my gosh, this is already causing panic. Where is it? Because I need this brush. Also, speaking of brushes that make things go by faster, true challenge because I didn't set anything out ahead of time. I was like, let me just work how I would typically work if I was trying to get ready fast. Okay, I don't even have my concealer brush, so we're gonna use this one from IT Cosmetics. I really like the BK Beauty brush. They have a concealer brush and it's amazing, but I can't find it, so we're just gonna go with this because we're running out of time here. But anyways, I was saying not a lot of people, I feel like, talk about the Shape Tape anymore, but it used to be everyone's favorite, and now I'm like falling in love with it all over again. It was a favorite of mine when it first came out, but now I feel like ever since I started using it again, it's like I can't stop. It's so pretty. So just gonna blend this out. I didn't even bring a sponge over, so we're gonna have to use this brush. But if you haven't tried, I think it's the 207 from BK Beauty. Obsessed with that one as well for concealer. See, because I feel like this one even is leaving a little bit of streakiness on my under eyes. So we can fix that with powder though. Okay, I'm being pretty quick with that because I feel like I've been talking and we're gonna run out of time to do things. So we're gonna do some cream bronzing next. Sorry if you can hear my kids screaming upstairs. I have two kids. If you are new to my channel, I have a 4-year-old and also a 2-year-old, and they're upstairs with dad, and I feel like they're in the living room, which is directly above my beauty room. And because of that, I do have a sponge. It's not wet, but we're gonna use that for this. Because of that, I feel like you can hear them just like moving their cars and playing upstairs. So hopefully it's not too distracting. I feel like I keep wanting to look at the timer. Oh my God. And I'm like, how fast could we do this? Okay. I feel like I'm talking too much, honestly. I'm gonna try to be quick with the bronzer. Here I am thinking I'm gonna be able to do glitter. Like, do we think that's even gonna happen? Okay. I feel like the base is looking good. The base is looking good. Let's go ahead now and do brows really quickly. I'm gonna go in with this Rare Beauty brow pencil, and we're gonna do those pretty quickly so that we can move on to eyes. And I really wanna do a red lip because of course it's a festive look. So I feel like a red lip is necessary. I don't know how we decided like how to do Glam, because I feel like Glam is the hardest makeup to do, especially fast. I'm so curious to see how Amanda's look turns out. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of do these brows, oh my gosh, as quick as I can here. I do my makeup in 10 minutes all the time. I don't know why. All of a sudden when you get on camera, you're like, oh no, you like can't function. But I have done 10-minute makeup, I feel like so many times this year, just being a busy mom and just like having all of life just like thrown at me. I feel like I've been doing my makeup so fast lately. So let's do some powder to kind of fix the streakiness under the eyes, because I know that that will help. For powder, I'm just gonna use my one from Huda Beauty. Ooh, it's just the pink powder from her. I also feel like this will help kind of blend everything together. I'm just using a powder puff. Also gonna swing this over to my eyes because we're gonna put some glitter down and I don't want any sort of creasing on my eyes. So just tap this in, add it here. Okay, put a little bit up here as well, just to kind of mattify. And I feel like we're doing okay. I've got like 5 minutes. Okay, so let's do some blush really quickly as well. I'm just gonna use the Dior Rosy Glow. Since it is a holiday glam, I'm gonna go a little bit extra with the blush because I feel like you can never have enough blush in general, but especially for holiday time, I feel like it's perfect to have a little bit extra. I'm gonna add some on my forehead too. Swing that all around, a little on my chin. And then we need to bronze. For that, I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer. I feel like that's my best option here. So we'll swing Hoola over really quick. I'm just gonna use the same IT Cosmetics brush just because it's right here. Can you guys see the pan in my Hoola bronzer? Who would have thought I could actually pan this bronzer? I've had it for, oh my gosh, years at this point. And I've been using it a lot as eyeshadow. So I feel like that's helped me kind of pan it. But if you guys have ever panned this, let me know. Because I feel like I have attempted it so many times and I've never even came close. And then this year, it just randomly happened. I was like, wow, look at me using up a full bronzer. I'm gonna swing a little of this also in my crease just to act as a base. Okay, it's coming together. All right, let's do the glitter really quickly because I feel like that's gonna be hard. So I'm gonna use this ColourPop glitter, and I have a little angled brush and I'm going to attempt to do a glitter wing. And I still need to do mascara and I still need to do the lips. So this is gonna have to be quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring this on my eye because I want to give us some sort of something, but I don't really want to do a whole eyeshadow look because I feel like I don't really have time, obviously, for that. So this is coming off really gold, which is interesting because I thought that it was silver, but it's kind of looking gold. I don't mind it though. I kind of feel like it very much goes with the theme. I'm almost thinking that there's something on this brush, maybe. Like there might be some old like brow powder or something. Or maybe this is just a duochrome one. I can't remember because it kind of looks like it's getting dirty on the paddle. So that makes me think that there's something else on this brush, but that's okay. I kind of like the gold. So we're just going to do a quick, oh my gosh, wing. I'm so stressed right now. I don't feel like that looks half bad. They're probably not identical wings, but kind of cute. Okay. And then let's do mascara really quickly. Oh my gosh, I have like 2 minutes. Mascara. I'm going to use this one from Catrice. This is a brown mascara lately. I've been loving brown for mascara, and I'm just going to work really fast. Hopefully I don't poke my eye out here. But I'm just going to do my best to get my lashes nice and coated. Do you see how pretty that looks though? So nice. And then I'm going to swing it on my lower. And then do the other side. Oh my gosh, I have like 2 minutes, 1 minute to do the lip. Okay, I have faith in myself. I have faith. This is so stressful. All right, I think that that will be good. And then for the lip, I'm using the Kiss of Fire from Dose of Colors. We have to do a red liquid lip, obviously, because it is holiday and it's a glam look. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, this is much pinker than I remember. I kind of thought it was going to be more of like a brick red, like my dress, but it's very pink. That's okay. In the bottle, it looks like it's not so vibrant. The fact that the timer hasn't even went off yet is so impressive. Okay, I think we have time to spray my face and use the Morphe setting mist. Woo! And I'm just gonna dose my face because I feel like I'm looking powdery. Okay. I'm trying to think what else I have time, like for maybe for like some highlight because the timer hasn't went off yet. So let's use the Natasha Denona Super Glow. I'm gonna grab a little bit of that on my pinky. I'm just gonna put it in my inner corner just to kind of brighten my inner corner since we have a little bit of time. We're gonna do brightness there, and then why don't we add a little to the tip of the nose and a little, oh my gosh, to the bridge of my nose as well, and a little down here. Just a little something. Ah! There is my timer. Wow. Okay. Are we kidding? Are we kidding? Did I crush this challenge right now? Did I crush this challenge right now? I feel like I look, aside from this, it's looking a little wonky. I feel like I look pretty put together. This is definitely a Hollywood glam moment, a Christmas moment. My little ears. Here's the close-up of the shadow. Did I crush this? You guys need to let me know in the comments. I'm pretty impressed with myself, honestly. Amanda, are you impressed with me? Because these wings aren't half bad. Like, there's a little gap right here on this side that I need to fix, but like the fact that we were even able to put on highlighter and my face looks like semi-cute. I'm gonna take off the little ears. Wow, this was so much fun. I haven't done one of these challenges in like so long, but this was really fun. I'm so glad I got to do this video. Hopefully you guys found this fun, and I will have links down below to the products that I used in this video. Like I said, please go and watch Amanda's channel and tell her I sent you. I'm so impressed with myself. Can you tell? Can you tell? I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, friends.